Lift your hand.
Ashley, what have you done to me?
Hi guys, my name's Ashley Green and this is All About the Tricks. It's our first ever lecture series, and as the name suggests, we're going to be teaching you, well, all about the tricks. And I'm going to personally be teaching you something that I've been performing since I was a young teenager, something that I've been performing for nearly a decade, and something that I've really spent a lot of time refining over the past 3 years at various different performances at events. What are you feeling there?
I can feel all my arms all tingly.
Yeah? And you can't lift it?
No.
So all of a sudden you say my hand is stuck, and it's stuck, and I can feel the sensations going up my arm, and then it spreads to here, and I'm genuinely trying so hard because I'm thinking surely it's not stuck, is it? But no, I couldn't break it.
You're going to be able to leave this lecture and perform this straight away. You don't need to buy any fancy gimmicks, you don't need to buy any fancy props. All you need is your words and your own thoughts. That's it. And that's the beauty of this. And it will work. I know, because I've been performing it. And the best part is that it works in all scenarios. On stage, in parlour, you can do it close up in person, and it even works on a modern day Zoom call. And again, I know because I've done it in all 4 of those situations.
I just had a incredible phone call with the Successful Mentalist who taught me something that I've wanted to learn for years, that I've tried without success, and that I now know cannot fail.
In a second, you're going to feel that tightness actually go up into your throat, and you might notice the moment that you just stop. Carry on. Carry on.
Oh.
My name is Ashley Green. This is All About the Tricks, and I'm going to be teaching the hand stick.